It's fair to assume that we mostly love our tech gadgets, whether that be phones, handhelds, fancy custom keyboards or headphones such as Apple's latest and greatest, the AirPods Pro 2. And it's fair to assume that we probably would like to keep our beloved material goods safe and sound. After all, without protection, you might end up with long-lasting effects after a night out on the town. Luckily for my AirPods, I was recently given this superior enclosure of protection. Not only strong and durable in its everlasting construction, no, it also possesses a fierce, menacing look, scaring off potential thieves if you leave them out in the open, like on a table in a restaurant for example. The application is enormously pleasurable too. You take the AirPods Pro 2 and then make sure the built-in button aligns with the carefully machined equivalent on the silicone wrapper and gently slide the rubber over the hardened object.
Oh my!
To cover the tip, repeat the process. Sometimes you might wonder whether or not you got it the right way around, but don't worry. When in doubt, check the base if it's inside out.
That's gross.
Once applied, don't be threatened by its fierce expression. It only serves to protect you because, as we all know, this type of canine is the stable one and would never crash on you or leave you hanging. It is the most long-term of good boys for sure. On the side, we have an attachment for an optional leash, although with Apple's Find My feature, even if you do somehow lose your companion, you should be able to quickly relocate it, either with that or a quick whistle. The muscular legs are a sight to behold and a stark reminder to keep yourself in shape and physically able. The same goes for the top receptors that have the bonus feature of being an additional contact point for quickly releasing the pods from their enclosure. Finally, we have the back, containing the anatomically correct cutout for the lightning port, or as I'd like to call it, the butthole.